Whether you're moving, renovating, or want to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of a keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using Bluetooth. Need to let someone in when you're not at home? Like when mom is early. Remotely let guests in anywhere, anytime. Create secure, temporary keys right on the app. For friends, family, service people. Once a set time ends, keys are automatically deleted. Track your door's activity so you know who comes and goes. Set alerts that matter to you, like getting alerted when your son arrives home. For total peace of mind, some locks let you check if your door is both closed and locked. You can also use your voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to check your door status and control your door. If you don't want to touch your front door's hardware or are renting, a retrofit lock is a perfect solution. These locks are easy to install and offer all the same remote access features. They attach to your existing lock on the inside of your door. Plus, keep your keys. Smart locks easily integrate into your smart home network, including wireless doorbell cams and home security systems. Most smart locks install in just minutes and only require a screwdriver. And don't forget about matching hardware. Complete your front door upgrade by purchasing matching handles to fit your door style.
Alexa, open the front door.
Hi, Mom! Hey, don't forget your lunch. See you tonight. Alexa, lock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.